If any experienced founder has ever told you that they're good at reading people or they're good at reading patterns, तो आज आप AI की हेल्प से exactly वही चीज कर सकते हो, वो भी सिंपल 2 स्टेप्स में. Let me show you. सबसे पहले कमेंट द वर्ड MS to get this detailed document जिसमें दोनों के दोनों prompts mentioned है. Once you have received this, यहाँ पे you will find multiple brackets that includes meeting type, industry or business model, stage, targeted persona, geographical context and the deal size or the ticket size. अब ये सारी information ChatGPT से अपने business को explain करके लिखवा सकते हो. Simply paste it here, copy this prompt and now move to ChatGPT. Paste this prompt here and now what you will see will be the exact patterns that it has already recognized for you that you can use for your business pitch and everything that you want to do, जो भी आपका use case था उसके लिए. Now once you have done this, copy the second prompt and copy the output that ChatGPT has generated. Simply paste the output here. Now copy this complete prompt and in the same chat in ChatGPT paste the second prompt. Now once you will do this, it will help you identify every single existing pattern, all the probable conversion flows and the discussions that might happen. Other than that, what are the strategies that can be used by you? What will help you to be a better person in the room while you're having that discussion? What are the moments where you can lose authority? It can already predict that for you. जो भी possibilities हो सकती हैं that can actually help you by understanding the patterns of the discussion. If you like the video, then don't forget to follow Manish Srivastava AI for more such insights. Thank you for watching.